Welcome back. We start our news bulletin from the United States, where the number of COVID-19 deaths is about to hit 130,000, with more than 2.8 million infections. Brazil has recorded nearly 1,100 deaths overnight, with a toll crossing 64,000 and over 1.5 million cases. Mexico has reported 523 deaths in a day, pushing its tally to nearly 30,400. Worldwide, the death count has exceeded 530,000 with 11.2 million cases. This report has more.
Countries around the world face the risk of economic slowdowns yet again as they reimpose COVID-19 restrictions after its second wave picked up pace. The situation in the United States continues to worsen, with multiple states reporting a record surge in everyday cases. As the virus spreads aggressively through Latin America, Mexico has overtaken France to become the fifth worst affected country in the world.
30,000 deaths and 200,000 something infected. That's what I understood. But it all depends on the area. In this area of Polanco, you can see that people have their face masks, they keep a healthy distance. But in more densely populated areas, people don't respect rules, unfortunately. Many believe coronavirus doesn't exist, that it was made up by someone.
Over in Europe, Germany is still struggling to cap and eliminate local spikes that have forced regional lockdowns. Meanwhile, the financially feeble Greece has refused to accept strict EU conditions on the use of coronavirus emergency aid. Once the hardest hit country in the region, the UK is now celebrating a reluctant victory over the virus on the birthday of its national health system.
I'm joining the rest of the country in marking the NHS's birthday by saying a big thank you on the 5th of July at 5 p.m, not only to NHS staff, but to everybody who's helped us through the last few months together.
In Asia, China reported 8 new coronavirus cases in the mainland, compared with 3 a day earlier. Meanwhile, in South Korea, sporadic cluster infections have pushed new virus cases above 60 for the third day running.